Hey everyone, welcome back. If you're tired of juggling multiple apps for payments, you're in the right place. Today, we're diving into a super straightforward guide on how to add PayPal to your Apple Wallet in 2025. This feature makes transactions faster and more secure, especially with the latest iOS updates. Whether you're shopping online or paying in stores, linking PayPal can streamline everything. Let's jump right in. First things first, make sure your iPhone is running the latest iOS version for 2025. Head to Settings, General, Software Update and install any pending updates. This ensures compatibility and smooth integration. Once that's done, open the Apple Wallet app. It's that iconic wallet icon on your home screen. Next, tap the plus button in the top right corner to add a new card or payment method. You'll see a list of options. Select debit or credit card, and then choose Other, or look for PayPal specifically if it's listed. Now, you'll be prompted to add your PayPal account. Enter your PayPal email and password to log in securely. After logging in, Apple Wallet will ask for verification. This might involve confirming your identity through a code sent to your phone or email. Go ahead and enter that. Once verified, your PayPal balance or linked cards will appear in Apple Wallet. You can now use it for Apple Pay transactions at supported stores or online. A quick tip: if you run into any issues, double-check that two-factor authentication is enabled on your PayPal account for added security. Also, ensure your PayPal is set as your default payment method if needed. This whole process should only take a couple of minutes. And there you have it. PayPal is now in your Apple Wallet, making your digital life easier. If this tutorial helped you out, hit that like button, subscribe for more tech tips, and drop a comment below if you have questions. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.